Hello everyone, this is the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. In this video, I'm going to continue where I left off for the bujo setup for the month of June, and that is the habit tracker. Don't worry if you haven't seen the part 1 video because the link is in the description below. Go check that out and let's get started. So I'm starting by drawing a wave with watercolor brush pens and watercolors. Then I took out some colorful pens and I did the usual stuff. I wrote what I wanted to track, which habit I wanted to track, and I made the table regarding it. So off camera I did the first page, and right now I'm checking if I can put in another habit in that space, but it looks like I can't, so I watercolored it. So like I did in the part 1 video, since the habit tracker page was drying up, I made the mood tracker. So the mood tracker was inspired by the summer doodles I made at the beginning of this channel. So I picked those doodles which I thought were more beach related and I added them to the mood tracker. So I added some spots to this part, which I think is a really dumb decision considering the fact that it's a dot grid notebook. I don't need to add more dots. Also, I will do watercolors on the next page, and I forget that whenever I do watercolors on one page and there's something written or drawn in the black gel pen on the other side of the page, it will bleed out and the ink will get smudged everywhere. This is something I discovered when I was making the May 2023 bujo setup, and I guess I have not learned my lesson yet. But mistakes are a part of learning, so there's that as well. Anyways, I'm drawing this island using watercolors, and this is the thing that will ruin the page. Now I'm outlining what I've drawn in the mood tracker with my black gel pen, and now it's looking like it's a page out of a coloring book, which, if you think about it, is an aesthetic in itself. Anyways, we are done with the habit tracker and the mood tracker. Now we're moving on to the week 1 setup. I'm doing the same trick I did in the cover page while writing the word June. For the task, I'm going to draw this huge carpet, which I'm going to divide into the number of days in this week. Then I'm going to color in the carpet using my highlighters. And also, if you want to purchase these highlighters or any of the materials I used in this video, check out the description, all the links are down there. And now we are done with the week 1 setup. So this is the bujo setup for the month of June 2023. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the description for more information and stay tuned.